Good evening friends. Welcome to day 1 of learning. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to reverse a string. So our problem statement is in a given string we have to reverse it. Our input is automation. Output will be like this. So our approach using a loop, I am going to explain you the basic explaining logic using the pseudocode. So we are going to read the input string, start from the last character, then we are going to append each character to a new string. Then we are going to print the reversed string. So now quickly let me go to Eclipse and start writing the program. So if you have not installed the Eclipse editor in your PC, please try to install it. Now click on create a Java project. Under project name you can write program. Okay, leave as it is all the settings, click on finish. After you create a project called program, just right click on this new and you have to create a package. Okay, in small letter you can write program, click on finish. Once this package is created you can create a new class from this option. Here we can write name as reverse string as a class name. Just try to check this main method. Okay, so now I'm going to write a piece of code in the main method. So I'm going to take first string as input string, that is str as a variable name, and I'm going to store it as automation. You can see this automation. Now again I am going to take one more string as reverse with empty string. Okay, so now using for loop I'm going to iterate this one. Okay, int I is equal to the string dot, we have length method, we are going to -1 based on the indexing. Okay, so 1 less than or equal to 0, we are going to decrement here now one by one in each iteration. Then you have to open the braces, then here you have to store that value, what the new string you have created, plus or minus string dot at char at method we have at index I. Okay, outside the loop you can write system.println. Now control shift F, formatting will happen, and control yes, it will save your project automatically. Now try to run as Java application. Here you can see your output. Thank you for watching this video.